you all doing well? Gamalon ngishila ngingawamind amazipho amsana ayimesi. Ndingushila kikena ago kwashila darling. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So today we're going to talk about reunion. Kamageza wants a wife. So I don't know, there was nothing hectic there because people are trying to clear the air, who did what to who and all of that, and the Rita drama. Actually, Rita was the engine of that show because she was the one that was bringing it drama, and Vele Mageza was not into Rita like that. Fine, right? And Ukile, I didn't know Ukile also, she's the one who brought it drama because I cannot really remember, but who really stirred that pot drama? Okay, fine. All right, now the first episode went by and Umamkulu, people were saying Umamkulu, she's a bully. I don't think she is a bully. All straight, she's just straight, and she's got a very strong personality based on her background. So I thought, good time, she's just Mamkulu. And the fact that she was looking for Ingoto Viendota. Igyan enesusu yesikhulu dark indoda mayibe emnyama onhlekisile bakesitsho but sada uFlora. Okay, what I felt ukuthi abayithethanga leka Flora, but uFlora also was giving Mageza from day one of his show. So all along they were covering Flora, you understand? Because I thought when Indoka and hey unoma limene kodwa and usiyamthanda naye efika nje second endaba ethila no like idrama ntombazana ndini yabo. So unoma engathi uyifriend noLerato ne, because ngiyabona kwi-TikTok zabo there are a lot of TikToks about her together and all of that. I saw Unoma on Lerato's channel, TikTok channel. So I'm like Umageza not bonga uFlora ukuthi Flora it's all that he always wanted from, and danchilo nathi Umageza usithandela uFlora yena. Danchilo dathi Mageza usendela uFlora lamantombazana jonga lo mntana lo uLerato no ibingathi asifake phansi when we are saying utabe confident athi bana andina 20 uthena not 21 ndina 22 the adult, I do my own decisions into yolala noMageza, it's something that I wanted and is solely kunjani makonje baba, because uMageza ngoke be eliminate uFlora wahamba wekhetha uFlora sasibone ngo-day engekafika u-A-E-O-U sabona ba uMageza uzithandela uFlora akanaxesha la yonke into le abanye bakhaphile. That's why ndizithanda amanye amantombazana lavala imilenze yabo, yena okoko bevula imilenze fondoni nosiyamthanda kanti efika oh sana usihlaza silindombi ufika awukabi nayo ne-24 hours ufika sovula imilenze yakho for Mageza fondoni for ntombazana ndini. But ke sana, that's it. So Mageza has found a wife ngubani nguFlora. But ukumthemba kodwa after elele noLerato hayi kuzobanzima. But ke uFlora uvumile ushada noMageza. uMageza usifumanele umfazi wakhe ongubani onguFlora. I wanted them nam babe together. Flora okanye uPalesa, she's more, I do like uPalesa, but uyandika xa ingena ezidrameni. I like the mature part of uPalesa yabo. uFlora uyazitshela, which is good. Utishalakazi uyazitshela uFlora, so which is good, and I did like uFlora nam for Mageza kuseqaleni. uLerato ndambona ngo-day ba uzoba yi-victim yocansi lalo mfana okoko victim yakhe lafana xa ifuna uzirelieve kuLerato. Yo sana Mageza. Yo, what do you guys feel? What do you feel? How do you guys feel about this whole reunion? Even part 1 and part 2, which I felt to go to part 1 was just like kunabantu there who didn't even open their mouth. Sana oh sana Lerato, sorry no shukuthi sorry.